So today we have a project over here in a crawl space over in White Lake, and was experiencing several issues. We had mold issues, we had humidity, and we also had warped floors, girder that was rotten, also with a sill plate and rim joist on the rear side, the closest to the lake here. We had a lot of moisture, a lot of mud, and there was a lot of improper support down there. So our game plan for today is we are currently temporarily supporting the home. Then we're going to go through, replace the main girder, install new supports and footings, and then we're going to go through sister couple joists that are rotten, but they're still pretty solid. It's just the bottom starts to have a lot of moisture and it's no longer going to support weight by itself. Then we're going to go through, replace the sill and rim joist, which we had the deck removed for part of it, so we can make sure we lag through the sides. Then we're going to go through, put in a new sump pump system, and we're also going to go through and put in a new vapor barrier, so we can do drainage mat to help, because there's a lot of moisture on the floor and actually some puddling, so it'll help move the water across. And then we're also going to top it off with a clean space, which is a 20 mil thick vapor barrier, and it's going to make this home a lot more livable and just create a better, healthier living environment.